Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to connect your Magene Speed Sensor. To begin, you will need to prepare your sensor. If it is new, remove the small battery insulation sheet. Then, reinstall the battery. A green light will flash to confirm it is in speed sensor mode. If you see a red light, simply remove and reinsert the battery to switch modes. Once in speed mode, securely mount the sensor on your front wheel hub using the rubber ring provided. Now, let's connect your sensor via Bluetooth. First, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone or bike computer. Next, open your cycling application or navigate to the sensor settings on your device. To wake the sensor and make it discoverable, spin your bicycle wheel for at least 10 seconds. Your device should then detect the Magene sensor. Simply select it from the list to establish a connection. Remember, Bluetooth typically allows connection to only one device at a time. For those using ANT Plus compatible devices, the process is similar. Verify that your bike computer or other receiving device supports the ANT Plus protocol. Then, go into your device's sensor settings and initiate a search for new sensors. Just like with Bluetooth, you'll need to spin your bicycle wheel to wake up the Magene sensor. Once detected, select the sensor's unique ANT Plus identification from the list to pair. A key advantage of ANT Plus is its ability to connect to multiple devices simultaneously. After attempting to pair, it's crucial to confirm your connection. Spin your wheel again and observe your bike computer or app for a live speed reading. If you are not seeing data, first ensure the sensor is securely mounted and not obstructed. If issues persist, try removing and reinserting the battery, then repeat the pairing process. For optimal performance, you can also use the Magene utility application on your smartphone to check for and install any available firmware updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.